Up what we have seen yesterday, and I said there is a Punjab we have started with, and in the Punjab I said first it is rainfall, Punjab and Haryana, and then who is causing rainfall? I said that southwest monsoon, Bay of Bengal branch. Who is causing, and who drags it? Who drags? So there is cyclonic wave used to drag towards. I said that towards Punjab and Haryana, and then in the summer season it is receiving how much rainfall? 50 to 60 centimeter rainfall, but during winter it is receiving, I said that western disturbance, it is 15 centimeter rainfall, Punjab, Haryana, and I said that Jaipur. These are the regions it is receiving this much. और ध्यान रखिए, जैसे मुझे याद है वैसे same way, the same level that you should also remember. Then prelims, again I am saying that prelims and mains will not be far from you. Understood? So I said that thereafter I talked about after that soil, I said that, and we have seen that which kind of soil it will have, alluvial soil. Understood? And then whole Indo-Gangetic plain, it is what made up of what, alluvial soil. Thereafter I came on to that is what kind of agriculture. Though we have been able to see there is agriculture के लिए I need to know the rivers. I said that Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. Sabere में चाचा जी, S for Satluj, B for Byas, Ra for Ravi, Cha for Chacha ji, Chenab, and then G for Jhelum, and it is a tributary of Indus. So between Satluj and Byas, I said that there is a which Doab? Bisht Doab, and then I said that Byas and Ravi there is a Bari Doab, and Ravi and Chenab it is a Rechna Doab, and Chenab and Jhelum Chej Doab. Your lips should move so that I can understand you are revising and all. And then I said between Chenab and Jhelum with Indus there is I said it is Sindh Sagar Doab. But I said that south of Satluj, Punjab ke middle section se Satluj river is crossing, and south of Satluj there is I said that it is Malwa plain exists till whole Haryana, till Haryana, Bhiwani, Bagar, and then Malwa plain we have seen, and thereafter at the border of Punjab and Haryana during the rainy season one river what is produce, it is originate, it's known as Ghaggar river originates, and it finishes is Punjab, Haryana, and finishes in the Rajasthan in Bikaner district. That I said that in Bikaner district it is finishing, and this river is known as I said that inland or ephemeral, but it is only seasonal river, therefore it is causing what, flood in Punjab and Haryana border region. Thereafter Ghaggar river has one tributary we have seen, it is in a which, Saraswati, and then if you see Haryana, eastern part of Haryana we have I said that, and western part of UP there is a Yamuna river is, which is originated in Uttarakhand, Yamunotri glacier, and then Yamuna river is passing through this, and it is also crossing through what is I said, Haryana, and Delhi, and then it is making a which dam, Hathni Kunj, which I said that Yamaraj kaisa dikhta, what kind of yam dikhta hai, Hathi ki tarah. So Yamuna river has which dam, Hathni Kunj. Thereafter I talked about that Hindon is one of the tributary of, yes, say that Yamuna river, it is from the UP and then meeting near Ghaziabad with the coming through the Ghaziabad and meeting with the Yamuna river. Thereafter we have seen, like I said, that agriculture pattern, and अब देख रहे हो कि Punjab and Haryana full of, I said that plain area, and then we have seen categorize the plain area, yes or not? We have seen Bisht Doab, Bari Doab, Rechna Doab, Chej Doab, and then Sindh Sagar Doab, and then Malwa plain, and then Bhiwani Bagar, Haryana, Bhiwani. So can you say that it is a highly fertile plain and alluvial soil? And then in this region I said that lots of river, and then one line I have made you to understand and make you to write. I said that yesterday Punjab and Haryana, I said that full of web of canals, web of पानी की कमी नहीं है. Understood? Thereafter I talked about that in the, I said that agriculture wise in the summer season rice cultivation is taking place, and rice cultivation is also known as I said that paddy cultivation. Means rice needed what is in a large amount of water and marshy kind of situation. The marshy word means paddy, therefore it is known as also paddy cultivation. And then rice, जो कि हम लोग rainfall कितना देखे थे, 50 to 60 centimeter, and then rice कब होता है in the summer season. If it is happening in the summer season and we need temperature 25 to 35, that is okay, but rainfall needed 150 to 200. Like in Punjab and Haryana this is only 50 to 60. So who is contributing for other? Irrigation. Understood? Wave of canal. Therefore they are able to grow rice and the rice is the largest area it is covering. Next it is, I said that winter में what they are growing? Wheat, and wheat temperature required 15 to 25 degree Celsius and the rainfall required 50 to 70. लेकिन आपने विंटर में देखा था यहाँ पे क्या रेनफॉल हो रहा था? 15 centimeter by the western disturbance, and then therefore we can be able to see that 15 centimeter is not sufficient for wheat cultivation. Again I said that irrigation help it to the what? Growth of it. Then we come to know about, I said that after this we have seen, like I said, cotton production, and then after the wheat. So यहाँ पे पंजाब में क्या linseed grow हो रहा है? Yes. Sunflower grow हो रहा है? Yes. Everything is growing, but the largest area covered by which crop? Wheat and rice. So the Punjab and Haryana is growing what? Wheat and rice. It is crop combination. But southern Punjab and western Haryana, we have, I said that, cotton production. And cotton production के लिए simply I said that cotton कहाँ पे famous है? It is in I said that Maharashtra and Gujarat region. But generally people are saying that people कहते हैं कि in which soil that cotton should produce. They generally students say black soil, but it is in a wrong answer. In India it is in the black soil, but that black soil की property क्या है? Clay. So I said that clay can hold the water. Therefore clay and black soil is in a clay soil. So clay soil is what is required. When the first factor I said that for cotton production, I said that कौन सा? I said which one I said that? Subtropical and tropical. And the temperature should be around 20 and 30, and I have said that 210 days should be frost free. And then or arid and semi-arid. What is the meaning of arid? The rainfall is less than 30 centimeter, and semi-arid means rainfall is what? 30 to 60 centimeter. So it should grow in this region. Why it should grow in arid and semi-arid? If the question is there, तो आप लोग को आंसर पता है ना? If the rainfall will take place from the top, then what will happen? Cotton ball will destroy. Yes or not? And when it will destroy, the productivity will reduce. So therefore, rainfall ऊपर से नहीं होना चाहिए. Rain पानी किधर से मिलना चाहिए? So it is an irrigation based crop. और पानी नीचे से if you are providing water from the below, it means the soil should be what? Clay. Soil should be, and clay soil used to hold the water. और भी आप पानी, अच्छा किस region में मैंने बोला? In which region the cotton is growing? In the less rainfall. And the less rainfall में आप, you must be knowing that irrigation will be also less. Yes or not? Or if you are giving irrigation और वो sandy है तो all water will what? Go down. लेकिन हमें water कहाँ रखना है? Above. Understood? Therefore there should be which soil? Clay soil, and clay soil is to hold it. Understood? So another factor I said that clay soil, and it is an irrigation based crop. After that I talked about, yes, there should be an क्या factor बोला था? Clay soil. और भी कुछ बोला था? नहीं? हाँ? Cotton के लिए और तो कुछ नहीं बोला था. हाँ? हाँ, 210 frost free days. Okay, चलो हो गया. So cotton, which are the regions? Southern Punjab, Western Haryana, Southern Punjab, Western Haryana and Northwest Rajasthan. जब राजस्थान कराऊंगा that time also I'll say you that why it is happening. तो इसका मतलब आप कोई भी फैक्टर यदि कभी सुनते हो तो कई बार सुनोगे. एंड एक चीज जरूर आप सीख के जाना, इन देन वन थिंग that it is geography and history that you must learn, but at the same time you learn one thing. I said that doing it again and again, and when you are doing it again and again and remembering the facts, concepts become easy. And then I said that after that we have started with after doing cotton, and then this region is cotton. क्यों हो रहा है यहाँ पे? And at that same time, who is irrigation providing in this southern Punjab, western Haryana? Indira Gandhi Canal. Who is providing? और ये कहाँ से originate हुआ? Harike wetland. And where is the Harike wetland? वहाँ पे Satluj and Byas river is meeting. Where the I said that Satluj and Byas river is meeting. And how many states this Indira Gandhi Canal is crossing? 3 states: Punjab, little bit Haryana, and then I said that it is till Barmer. याद होगा आपको? I said that it is starting from this one and then crossing the Punjab, then Bikaner, Jaisalmer, then Barmer it is going on. Then we have seen about the cotton production. Understood it? And Indira Gandhi Canal, therefore it is giving was humidity. तो वो बाद में हम बात करेंगे. Next one, irrigation based. Indira Gandhi Canal is providing irrigation, therefore it is a cotton is producing. और इस region में, पंजाब के इस region में how much rainfall? 40 centimeter. Therefore it is a good place to grow. And at the same time, southern Punjab, western Haryana and northwestern Rajasthan having clay soil. So next point I have talked about. After that हम लोगों ने देखा districts, and the districts are, I have said, like I said, Firozpur, and I said that which are the district? I said that Firozpur, Fazilka, and then I said that Firozpur, Fazilka dekh liya, Muxar, and then I say Faridkot, Muxar, then Moga, Bhatinda, Barnala, Mansa, very good, Sangrur. याद हो गए? And thereafter I talked about ऊपर में गए Jalandhar. What I said that? Jalandhar. And then I said that Sangrur के बाद Jalandhar, below Ludhiana, then I said that Rupnagar, Patiala. And बीच में कौन आ गया? फतेहगढ़ साहिब. इनके संग में नहीं रहना है, लेकिन आपको क्या करना है? We have to behave like Kapurthala. Understood? And Kapurthala, I said that then there is an, I said Taran Taran. Kapurthala, Taran, and then Amritsar. And then I talked about Gurdaspur, Pathankot, and I said that Hoshiarpur. और जब होशियार बन जाओगे तो collector will become of new city, that is Nawa Shahar. And this is I said that Harike wetland, and हरी के कान में जाकर कुछ कहोगे कि मेरे को किसी ने छोड़ दिया है, तो मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए? हरी के कांजली एंड रूप वाली लड़की. तो हरी के कांजली एंड रोपड़ wetland. These are the three wetlands we have. Which are the three wetlands? Harike, Kanjli and Ropar. And thereafter I talked about, I said that plains, और हमने क्या बोला था? Seismic zones. And then the whole along the Himalayas, Shivalik range, Himalayan front fault, and therefore it is at seismic zone 4. And then rest of what is in a plain area, any alluvial soil region is zone 3. And what is the meaning of zone 1? Nobody feels earthquake. Zone 2 means somebody feels earthquake. Zone 3 means everybody feels earthquake. Zone 4 means yes, हमेशा बोलते रहा करें. Zone 1 means nobody feels earthquake. Zone 2 means, Zone 3 means everybody feels earthquake. Zone 4 means everybody feels earthquake but there is a loss of life and property. And Zone 5 means everybody feels earthquake but there is a massive loss of life and property. Understood it? And so we have seismic zone 4 and we have seen seismic zone at the border of Shivalik range. Then we have seen these are the seismic zone 3 and seismic zone 4. And thereafter we are watching the rivers. आपने हमने बताया था Satluj Byas. I said that there is, and I said that Satluj Byas, and then above it is I said that Ravi. Understood it? तो हम लोगों ने कौन से river देखा? Satluj and Byas, and then I talked about Ravi. And Ravi river पर कौन सा डैम है? Theen dam. And then we have talked about, I said that Byas, and there is a Ravi river, Theen dam. And then Satluj river पर I talked about Nangal dam. Understood? And this one I said that Ghaggar, must be known. And then we have seen like plains of Punjab, Bari, East and all, Malwa plain. And साथ में I have told you about Haryana, there is a Malwa plain and Haryana Bhiwani border. And I have said that which soil in Punjab and Haryana? Alluvial soil. And the two things I made you to understand, Khadar new alluvial soil, and बाद में वो नीचे चला गया तो Khadar is new alluvial soil and this side become Bhangar. Understood? And then when the bank of the river may some thing which is uplifted, it is known as natural levee. And Punjab may natural levee is known as Dhaya. And then I said that Khadar is known as what? Bay. Understood? And then which crop combination is there? Wheat and rice. And thereafter I talked about which are the national highways crossing. 15, 1 and 10. 15, 1 and 10. And 15 कहाँ से start होता है? You must be knowing. It is starting from, I said that Pathankot. And it is crossing till the, what is it, Kutch is in the Gujarat. Then Pathankot, Amritsar, Bhatinda, and then I said that Ganganagar, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Badmer, Kutch में Samakhiya. Understood? And tomorrow also you will say that it is passing through the Rajasthan. And thereafter I talked about, this is the way, इसकी वजह से ही इस region में you can be able to see lots of what? Industrialization. Yes or not? The NH50, and at the same time in the same region we have what? Indira Gandhi Canal. In the same region we have, I said that Indira Gandhi Canal. Getting my point? And thereafter I talked about, I said Pathankot and all, and then these are the national highway. National highway, I said that one कहाँ से start होता है? Delhi. From say where is it? I said that it is passing from Delhi. Then I said Sonipat, Panipat, Ambala, then Ludhiana, Jalandhar. It goes like this. This is what I said that दिल्ली इन द हरियाणा, और आज भी आप दिल्ली में देखोगे दिस व्हेन आई डू हरियाणा, देन दिस इज एन आई सेड NH1 एंड देन NH10 जो जाता है ये कहां से जाता है, इट इज दिल्ली टू फजिल्का, और यहां पर आपको मैंने क्या दिखाया था, दिस इज इन फजिल्का, सो इट इज द मिडिल ऑफ द हरियाणा, इट इज क्रॉसिंग, इट इज मिडिल ऑफ द हरियाणा, NH10. So which are the national highway we have seen? NH15, NH1 and then NH10, and therefore because of this they are growing. And some pipeline I have talked about. One pipeline I said that मथुरा से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मथुरा, दिल्ली, सोनीपत, सेम, उसके बाद सोनीपत, पानीपत, अम्बाला, and then we are able to see, I said that लुधियाना, जालंधर. Understood? इसीलिए ऑयल पाइपलाइन से क्या मिलेगा, एनर्जी, everywhere we will be able to get energy, and therefore industrialization, or national highway hai, and then there will be the industry should grow. Yesterday we have seen how and why, and thereafter I talked about that this region should grow, NH1, and then we talked about in the region of, I said Kandla and Bhatinda oil pipeline. Bhatinda में क्या बनेगा, if I am talking about, I said in the Bhatinda, if I am talking about, क्या दिखेगा आपको भटिंडा में, ऑयल रिफाइनरी, और ऑयल में से क्या क्या निकलता है, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैसेस, वैसलीन, केरोसिन, नैप्था, डिफरेंट थिंग्स कम्स आउट. उसमें से नैप्था में से हमारे बॉडी में नाइट्रोजन है या नहीं, टेल मी फास्ट, है, ट्रीज में नाइट्रोजन है या नहीं, प्लांट्स में नाइट्रोजन है या नहीं, एवरी प्लांट्स एंड बॉडी हैज नाइट्रोजन, यस और नॉट. मैराइन एनिमल्स, और पेट्रोलियम कहां बनता है, ड्यू टू द व्हाट, मैराइन एनिमल्स इन द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ नियर टू द कोस्ट इन द ओशियन, और उसमें जैसे ही वो मरेगा तो उसमें केवल देयर विल बी आल्सो नाइट्रोजन, एंड उस नाइट्रोजन से निकाल कर मैं क्या बनाऊंगा, नाइट्रोजनस फर्टिलाइजर इंडस्ट्री. यस, नाइट्रोजनस फर्टिलाइजर industry. So wherever you know that this is the only the last year in India after independence, only the last year in India after independence, India become independent on nitrogenous fertilizer industry. Otherwise every year state बोलते थे सर मेरे पास नहीं है, the central government provide करो, मंगाओ बाहर से, and the last year, and one major thing is also there,